mina ngiyohlala ngushange. Mina ngiyohlala ngusha. No guys, like manje mina ngiyohlala ngushange ngichaza ukuthi nginabantwana kaShange, and like I always have to present abantwana bami in a good space. Like kumele njalo abantwana bami yabo ngibavikele, like bangayi esibayeni sakaShange ngingekho. Like why kumele abantwana bami basebenzise uShange mina ngingasiwuShange? You understand? Sekungathi manje ngiyabalahla. No guys, ezimbo kodwa kumele ngasenze njalo. So njengoba abantwana bami babushange, kumele ngibe uShange nami ukuze babone ukuthi wherever they go, I go.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, I knew ukuthi la siyadlalwa. I knew ukuthi uMonde and uGugu Skhotheni abakahlukani. Oh, ngathi ngalesikhathi ngibona uGugu Skhotheni and uMonde baku live, guys, and I was like, something doesn't add up la. Lately it's like uGugu Skhotheni wenda taba tokuthi thola nje a trend, and siyambona Shumayela, siyambona khuluma snacks, siyambona Klepa back at bantu labakhuluma ngaye, siyambona nje into letifani kuma social media just ukuthi ahlale a relevant. So Gugu Skhotheni lied to the world athi uMonde Shange uyam-abuse, uyamushaya waze wakhipha nema-pictures, but siyabona ukuthi hayi cha ngathi bezidlalwa la, because uGele nyalo uku-live ngefoni yaMonde uyakhuluma nje uhappy. uGele uyasho nje ukuthi futhi yena uyatihlanyela people shouldn't take her serious, and I'm like, Gele, how can you make such accusations bese uyasuka pretenda ngazuthi agendeka ngalutho ufuna Mzansi ukwatele Monde, and then what? Please subscribe, share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.